Did you know that in 2022, retail trading surged to an all-time high, with millions of new investors entering the stock market? This trend is shaping the way brokers operate in 2024. Choosing the right broker is crucial for successful trading. It's like having a reliable partner that helps you navigate the stock market. With so many brokers out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to choose. In this video, we'll explore the best brokers for the stock market in 2024, highlighting their strengths, weaknesses, and what makes them stand out in the current market. Selecting a broker that fits your trading style and goals can make all the difference between success and failure. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the world of stock market brokers and discuss the top brokers that will help you achieve your financial objectives. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, having a good broker by your side can be a game changer. So, let's get started and find out which brokers are leading the pack in 2024. One of the biggest challenges investors face when selecting a broker is the numerous fees associated with trading. From commissions to management fees, it can be difficult to know what you're getting charged for. Another common issue is platform usability. Some brokers' platforms are clunky and hard to navigate, while others are sleek and user-friendly. Another crucial factor is the available resources. Do they offer educational materials, research tools, and market analysis to help you make informed trading decisions? These are just a few of the many challenges investors face when choosing a broker. Fees can eat into your profits, and if you're not careful, you can end up losing more money than you're making. That's why it's essential to understand the fee structure of your broker. Some brokers charge high fees for certain services, while others offer low or no fees at all. Some brokers have excellent customer support, while others are lacking in this department. You want a broker that's available to answer your questions and provide support when you need it. When it comes to platform usability, some brokers have mobile apps that are convenient and easy to use, while others are limited in their mobile capabilities. The available resources can also vary greatly from one broker to another. Some offer extensive research tools, while others have limited resources. You want a broker that aligns with your trading goals and style. If you're a day trader, you'll want a broker with low fees and a fast trading platform. If you're a long-term investor, you may prioritize a broker with a strong research team and a wide range of investment products. Brokers can also have different requirements for opening an account, such as minimum balance requirements or specific documentation. You need to consider all these factors when selecting a broker. Some brokers cater specifically to beginners, offering educational resources and a user-friendly platform. Others are geared towards advanced traders, providing advanced research tools and complex trading strategies. With so many factors to consider, it can be overwhelming to choose the right broker. But don't worry, we've done the research for you. In the next section, we'll explore the top brokers for 2024 in detail, discussing their features, strengths, weaknesses, and what makes them stand out in the current market. Let's start with the top broker, Fidelity. Fidelity is a well-established online broker that offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, options, ETFs, and mutual funds. They have a user-friendly platform and mobile app, making it easy to trade on the go. One of the standout features of Fidelity is their research tools. They offer extensive research and analysis from top firms like Morningstar and Thomson Reuters. Another top broker is Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular choice among young investors, offering commission-free trades and a simple, easy-to-use platform. Robinhood's mobile app is one of the most popular trading apps out there, with over 10 million users. They also offer a range of educational resources to help you improve your trading skills. TD Ameritrade is another top broker that offers a wide range of investment products and a robust trading platform. Their Think or Swim platform is highly customizable and offers advanced research tools. Interactive Brokers is a great choice for advanced traders, offering a wide range of investment products and a highly customizable platform. eBackslash is another top broker that offers a user-friendly platform and a wide range of investment products. They also offer a range of educational resources and research tools. Ally Invest is a popular choice among beginners, offering a user-friendly platform and a range of educational resources. Merrill Edge is a top broker that offers a wide range of investment products and a robust trading platform. They also offer a range of educational resources and research tools. We've discussed the top brokers for 2024, each with their unique features, strengths, and weaknesses. But which one stands out as the best broker for the stock market in 2024? Based on our research, Fidelity stands out as the top broker for 2024. They offer a wide range of investment products, a user-friendly platform, and extensive research tools. Fidelity's fees are also competitive, with no commission fees for online trades. They also offer a range of educational resources to help you improve your trading skills. In conclusion, selecting the right broker is crucial for successful trading. With so many brokers out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to choose. But by considering the factors we discussed earlier and doing your research, you can find a broker that aligns with your trading goals and style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial content. If you have any thoughts on the best brokers for the stock market in 2024, leave them in the comments below.